Every night, I waved at the moon before bed, but one night, the moon waved back. I rubbed my eyes in disbelief. "Did you just wave at me?" The moon smiled and said, "Of course, I've been waiting to talk to you." "Why me?" I asked, curious. "Because you're the only one who always says goodnight to me," the moon replied. "I get lonely sometimes, up here all alone." I giggled, surprised. I didn't know the moon could feel lonely. The moon whispered, "Everyone needs a friend, even the ones who shine." From then on, I told the moon a story every night, and it twinkled just a little brighter, just for me.